an important question. We have to find the equation of a circle which is passing through the points 4 comma 1 and 6 comma 5, and the center of the equation lies on the equation 4x plus y is equal to 16. Now, equation of a circle we have already gone with the standard form and general equation. So, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, where h comma k are coordinates of center and r is radius of circle. Now, it is given that since the circle passes through 4 comma 1 and 6 comma 5. So, we can write it now 4 minus h whole square plus 1 minus k whole square is equal to r square. Now, let this be equation number 2, equation 1, and 6 minus h whole square plus 5 minus k whole square is equal to r square 3. Now, solving equation 2 and equation 3, or you can write it equating r square. So, what we are getting? We are getting 4 minus h whole square plus 1 minus k whole square is equal to 6 minus h whole square plus 5 minus k whole square. Now, here what we can do it, you can just do two things, simple things. Number one is we can just put the identities here for all the 4 and then solve it. Second thing, which is easy by me, okay, what I think that you should do like that, just take variable h on one side, it will become 4 minus h whole square and 6 minus h whole square, then 5 minus k whole square and negative of 1 minus k whole square, and apply a square minus b square. That is much easier, okay. So, you as you wish do it. Now, I am going with 4 minus h whole square negative of 6 minus h whole square is equal to 5 minus k whole square negative of 1 minus k whole square. So, we can apply a square minus b square. Now, 4 minus h plus 6 minus h with 4 minus h minus 6 plus h is equal to 5 minus k plus 1 minus k with 5 minus k minus 1 plus k. Is it clear? So, what we are having now? We are having 10 minus 2h with, now here h and h cancels, negative of 2 is equal to 6 minus 2k, k and k cancels 4. Is it clear? Now, this becomes very easy, okay. So, on solving this part, finally what we are having? Finally, we are having h plus 2k is equal to 11, equation number 4. After third, we are having fourth equation. Is it clear? Now, since the center h comma k lies on the given equation, and given equation is what? 4x plus y is equal to 16. 4x plus y is equal to 16. We have, now what we can write it as h and k lies on 4x plus 5. So the equation becomes 4h, I am sorry, 4h plus k is equal to 16. This was equation 4th, equation 5th. Now we are having two equations, equation 4 and equation 5th, with the variables h and k. Okay. Solving equation 4th and equation 5th. Now this you have to solve it. We are getting h is equal to 3, k is equal to 4. Now just substitute the values of h and k on either of the equation 2 or equation 3. Now substituting h is equal to 3 and k is equal to 4 in equation 2 here. So we are getting 4 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square is equal to r square. Is it clear? Or r square is 1 plus 9, r square is equal to 10. Now final thing is, substituting h is equal to 3, k is equal to 4 and r square is equal to 10 in equation 1. In our equation, what we are getting? X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 10. On solving, what we are getting? X square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 15 is equal to 0. Hence, required equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 15 is equal to 0, and this is a very important question.